both gold and silver started to trade bearish with the beginning of the week and now trading at 1746 and 2075 levels. Now what to expect today? Which position we should take in order to profit? Is it going to continue with the crash, or will it rise, and if yes, then which position we should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session today itself. The second video for the day. Do watch that also. Let's start. And if you look at on the hourly charts, after hours of consolidation, it had given a breakout last week. Now again trying to retrace, and now again has given a drop there, again has given a breakout there. So this is again continuing to be bearish till the time it trades below 1755. There is no position to buy. Only above 1755 you can expect it to rise a little, then you can expect 1760 and plus levels. Else probably we may see a little more bearishness, but how far it will go, let's see. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, and see the MACD has seen almost a good low levels here, and hence probability of it to sustain the lower levels exist, where we find, see, the bottom is not so far away and hence need to be cautious there. If you recall 1740, definitely a very good support here. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, if you look at now look at the 2-hour charts closely, you will find that yes, here also after retracement it is reversed, drop, retracement, reversal, and again trying to trade with the bearish price. How far it can go? Definitely 1740 should be a very good support for gold, and only if it trades below 1740 one can confirm that the bearishness has prevailed and it is going to break strongly on the downside. Else achieving somewhere around these levels, it can try to retrace or reverse again, but only buy levels are above 1755. That is very clear. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold here. Yes, it can sustain this bearishness, but yes, let's have a look here. At the MACD is divergent and bearish looking downwards. The RSI is also trading at the bottom. So on the 2-hour chart, it appears the most of the indicators have come to an oversold zone. Also, it indicates that it is also very near to the support levels. But remember, below 1740, the next target is going to be this zone at 1710. Yes, there is a probability if it continues to trade below 1740, we may see it achieving those levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise, retracement drop, first red candle here, hence probability of it to give you second and third red candle exist. We need to wait for it. Right now the bottom of the Bollinger Bands are giving it a support at 1745. Definitely a good support, already we have seen multiple times. And below that 1740, if it breaks below 1740, certainly it may give you good bearish move. So we have always maintained 1740 and 1750 are my critical and favorite numbers, which have definitely proven out to be support and resistance level on the upside and downside both. The directional movement here is bearish. The stochastic is trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish here on the 3-hour chart. The RSI is bottom, so it appears that the bottom is not far away and probability of a reversal exit, but let's see how far it goes first before it tries to bounce back. Look at the 4-hour charts. Higher highs are seen and then this drop has occurred, almost trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. See the candle size here on the 4-hour charts, we need to look at. It is also the beginning of the first candle, see retracement and the first red candle, and hence we have to be observant. No buy entries till the time it trades below 1755. This is very clear. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish again, and RSI is looking downwards. Now coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, it appears it is lot much ground to cover on the downside. However, see, first thing is it is precisely reversed from the highs there of this channel. If it breaks beyond 1755, certainly consider a good buying point beyond 1755. Till the time it trades below 1755, no buying entry. That is very clear for the day. Do not think of buying gold till the time it trades below 1755. At the same time, 1740 is a very good support here because it has taken a good drop, else we do have sold at 1745 itself, but 1740 is a very good support here. Below 1740 only I will recommend you to sell. Below that you can expect 1736, 1732 levels, and then below that a very good drop can be seen there. If not today, possibly this week we may see it again coming back to the zone, which is at 1700, 1710, 1720. This is going to be an extremely good support zone, because see, that was the consolidation earlier. It may try to complete this journey up. We need to be very cautious and alert. Right now it is appeared to be taking a turn on the sell side. Directional movement divergent and bullish, it may try to converge. The stochastic is oversold on the daily charts. The MACD is trying to converge crossover on the daily charts, indicating that the bearishness may prevail from here, because see, the crossover is taking at the highs here, indicating that we talked about this in my weekly analysis, that this is a crossover which is happening at the highs. Possibly it may take a U-turn from there and now may trade bearish. The RSI, which was overbought, now looking downwards here, and hence uh, we need to be little bit cautious on the upside till 1755 levels. Beyond 1755, just stay long, close your eyes, go by there. But at the same time, on the downside, 1740 levels should provide a very good support. Below 1740 now, you can sell there, expect 1736, 32, and then below that another good drop for 1724, 20, 1710, 1700. In this week itself, we may see it achieving those levels if it continues to trade bearish from here. So sell at 1740, buy at 1755 for this $15 today. The range is bit extended, but since it has seen a good drop early in the day, hence you need to be alert there, as buying levels are only above 1755. Do not trade in between these $15. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying right trades, right entries, and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch for this year 2022 is starting on 28th of November. Beyond that, the next batch is only in 23. So equip yourself with the tools and strategy. Join the mentorship batch. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver trading at 2075 levels, and if you look at the hourly charts here, see, after retracing a bit, it has given a good break. This is second red candle. The probability of a third red candle also exists, but then again it may try to retrace a bit. So it is trying to create a channel, but the highs of this channel, if you see, the highs of this channel are now limited at around 2090 level. So only buying point is about 2100. $21 is a very strong resistance now for it to move upside. Directional movement is extremely divergent on the hourly chart. It must converge, indicate a little retracement on the upside is possible. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, after retracement, first red candle, probability of couple or more red candle exist. Also remember, this is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it may get a support on the downside. The resistance at $21 is very strong. Any point of time, if you see silver trading about 21, just stay long beyond that, and then 21.20 and plus levels to be seen. Extremely bearish and divergent on the directional movement. A convergence here is possible. The stochastic is trading at bottom. The MACD has taken a crossover. This is a bearish cross, and this is a second red candle. Probably it may continue with the bearish momentum. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also, after a bit of retracement, first red candle trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, getting the support here, and hence a little retracement is possible. But then 2100 is the only level beyond which you should buy. Till the time it trades about below 2100, do not buy anything. Directional movement divergent and bearish. The stochastic is trading at the bottom. The MACD has again started to diverge here on the sell side. The RSI is looking downwards here too. On the 4-hour charts also, likewise, if you find, it is trying to create a channel of its own. The bottom of this channel somewhere here at 2050 levels. Also there is a support here at 2065, which is going to be a good support. The directional movement here is bearish. The stochastic trading at bottom, curving upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards, indicating or considering this, the only buy position today is below about $21 again. And if you look at the daily charts now, look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, interestingly, after giving you higher highs and higher lows, it is given a breakout, and any breakout should be taken up very seriously, and it indicates this is a good bearish breakout. So first red candle, and this can be in fact a big red candle. 2060 2050 levels are something which is going to provide a major support for silver, and we need to be careful of those levels. 2060 2050, only below 2050 you can expect little more bearishness may be seen. Then there is a lot much ground to cover on the downside till $20 and 1950 levels. Directional movement is bullish here, that it is trying to converge. It was extremely bullish on the daily charts. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD has taken a crossover, and this is divergent. This is divergent and bearish here, indicating that it may sustain. See, this crossover is happening at the highs, and then it also indicate that the bearish momentum may sustain a bit before it tries to bounce back. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, you can, the buy position for the day is only about 2100 or $21. Till that time, every rise is an opportunity to sell. Also, you can sell below 2070 levels, or rather I will say those who want to take a safe entry, because it is at 2075, you should sell at 2060. Expect 2050 2040 as the major support. Below that, 2020 and 2000 levels should be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Do not buy till the time it trades below $21. Every rise is an opportunity to sell till $21, and take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. On the downside, 2060 is a good safe entry for you to sell. Expect 2050 2040, and then 2020 2000 levels. If not today, possible tomorrow, we may see achieving those levels. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.